Hi everyone, I'm your instructor Naeem, and today's lesson I will introduce about C++ programming language, where we will learn about C++ programming language. So now I will show you in presentations. Okay, so now first of all I will tell you what is C++. So basically the answer will be C++ is a high level programming language used to develop programs, games and desktop software, and also you can create anything whatever you want in C++ language. Okay, so in the next presentations C++ development. Okay, so basically C++ is developed in 1979. The name of developer is Bjorn Stroustrup. Okay, Bjorn Stroustrup basically develop a programming language which is C++ to create programs, desktop applications. Okay, this is the basics programming language. And in the next presentations, why we learn C++ first. Okay, so basically C++ is a basic programming language where you will learn basic things. Okay, after that you will be able to work on any programming languages easily. Okay, so I will teach you step by step and easy way. Okay, uh, in the first presentations how we learn C++. Okay, so basically so in this complete course I will be teaching you C++ programming language step by step, so don't worry about C++. Requirement for C++. If you know about any other programming languages like JavaScript or maybe something, but so don't worry, because the requirement of C++, if you want to work in C++, you need a software to work on C++ language. There's a lot of software, but we will use code block text editor, which is used for C++ learning and also development like apps, games, etc. Okay, so we will use code block, our software, and code block is a very nice software to develop a C++ programs. Okay, so that was just quick introductions about C++, and in the second episode we will create our first program, which will be a hello world program. So okay, I will see you in next part. So thanks for watching.